How can I create a tiger salamander friendly backyard? Are you curious about how to turn your backyard into a welcoming home for tiger salamanders? These fascinating amphibians thrive in environments that mimic their natural habitats. Let's look at some practical steps you can take to create a tiger salamander friendly backyard. First, consider adding an aquatic environment. Tiger salamanders need ponds or pools for breeding. Aim for a shallow pond with a depth of about 1 to 2 feet. This should have slow-moving water, ideally resembling vernal pools or seasonal ponds. Make sure the water is free from chemicals and pollutants, as these can harm the salamanders. Including plants like cattails or water lilies will provide shelter and food sources for them. Next, think about the terrestrial environment. Adult tiger salamanders spend much of their time in underground burrows. To accommodate this, create areas with soft, moist soil. You can achieve this by adding organic matter like compost or leaf mold to your soil. It is essential to avoid using pesticides, as they can harm salamanders and other beneficial insects. Adding habitat diversity is also important. Include rocks, logs, and leaf litter to provide hiding places and shelter from predators. These elements help maintain moisture in the soil, which is vital for salamanders. A mix of different textures and materials will create a more inviting space for them. Now, let's talk about food sources. Tiger salamanders are predators that feed on insects, worms, and other small invertebrates. Maintaining a diverse insect population in your backyard can support their dietary needs. Avoid using insecticides, which can deplete the local insect population and make it harder for salamanders to find food. Lastly, consider local conservation efforts. When creating a tiger salamander-friendly environment, ensure that your habitat does not attract non-native species that might compete with or harm local wildlife. Engaging with local conservation groups can provide additional resources and support for your efforts. By following these steps, you can create a welcoming environment for tiger salamanders and contribute to their conservation. This not only supports these amphibians but also benefits other local wildlife, aligning with broader efforts to protect reptiles, amphibians, and insects. Your backyard can become a thriving ecosystem that supports these amazing creatures.